Hi, Hector Aguilar with Aguilar Realty Group Homes, once again here with Tiffany Gutierrez of InTouch Credit Repair. You know, one of the questions I had for you, Tiffany, is what should our clients expect in terms of service from InTouch Credit Repair?
Good question. So what they can expect is we do provide each of our clients with their own client portal. That client portal is going to go into depth on what we're working on. So we stay in touch with them, making sure that we're communicating through that portal. If they have any additional questions, I actually have a support team that is there for them. Via email, they'll send any questions and we're there to answer them for them, making sure that they always can stay in communication with us.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
You know, obviously credit is a very personal subject. Can you tell me a little bit about InTouch Credit Repair's philosophy and why is it important for you to deliver for your clients?
Of course. So credit repair for me, I went through a very hard time. So I went through, in my early 20s, I went through a financial hardship. I was actually leaning towards bankruptcy. For me, I thought there was no out. I didn't think that there was a way to pay all this money I owed to the creditors.
Okay.
I had 2 little girls and it was either to pay and feed them and a roof over our head, or it was paying my credit cards. Unfortunately, I let them all go. I actually went to a credit repair company and thankfully I was able to go from about $17,000 in debt to then only owing about $1,500.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
So with that experience, I love what I do. I'm able to provide, you know, that same opportunity for clients that are experiencing that hardship and giving them a way out of it and knowing that there's light on the other side of bad credit. So
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
So obviously that experience has kind of carried over to what you do at InTouch Credit Repair, and it's really good to know that you've gone through that, and so clients can feel comfortable knowing that they're working with someone that's actually experienced that as well. So thank you for sharing that. I really appreciate it. Once again, if you have any questions with regards to credit repair and if you need help and you're preparing to buy a home, please reach out to us. We'd love to work with you and help you achieve your goal of home ownership.